Yes, mama.
Me I go to church, you know.
Yes, mama.
And make sure you cook till me come.
Yes, mama.
You know what you put in a pot?
Yes, mama.
What you put in a pot?
You go put piece of thyme, mama, and piece of onion, and you put season in the pot and piece of butter.
Remember to put scallion in a pot.
Put scallion in the pot, mama?
Yes. Remember, you know? Remember to put scallion in a pot.
Yes, mama. Put scallion in the pot, mama.
Yes. Remember
Alright,
to put scallion in a pot.
Alright, mama.
Alright,
Mama. Remember to put scallion in the pot, mama. Alright, mama. Yes, mama. Me kiss and cook before mama come for church. Things already I know. Yes, man, everything's already I know, man. Everything ready I know. Fire ready. Time put scallion in the pot now. Scallion, coming for you. Time put scallion in the pot, you know, man. Wait. Wait. What is scallion this here? Let's get scallion in the pot, man. What's up? I'm not telling you so, man. Scallion gone. I'm not get scallion, man. What's up?
Jesus love me, this I know. Oh, the Bible tells me so. Wait, my son ready now. The big son prepare for me. Joa!
Yes, mama! Jesus Christ, we dead now. Now I go kill me, man. Boy, I'm gonna get scallion in, man. Boy, like that you never do now. Boy, me dead now.
Say me not like that only, but you know, when Sunday come up here and I say make up in a place. Go eat me Sunday dinner, you know. I want to you, Joa. Come to you, Joa.
Mama.
Run down, scallion!
Mama, I'm not getting it, mama. No, I'm going to use it somewhere.